Hello, my fellow Nigerians. 27 lawmakers in Revers State. Hear what the judge says. Court rejects 27 Revers lawmakers. Evidence. Judge allows only cross-examination in defense case. The Federal High Court, sitting in Port Harcourt, presided over by Justice Emmanuel Obile, has delivered a ruling on applications in suit number FHC/PHC/CS/25/2025 brought by the Labour Party against the Rivers State House of Assembly and the others. The suit seeks to declare the cease of 27 lawmakers who allegedly defected from People Democratic Party to All Progressive Congress, Vacant. During the ruling on January 21, 2025, Justice Obile rejected the applications by the first defendant, Rivers State House of Assembly, second to 28 defendants, 27 lawmakers, and 29 defendants PDP, which sought the court's permission to call oral evidence and file pleadings. The judge held that the defendants failed to establish any conflict in the facts contained in the affidavits before the court to warrant granting the applications. However, in a partial concession under Order 27/1 of the Federal High Court Rules 2019, Justice Obile permitted the cross-examination of deponents to the affidavits supporting the amended originating summons and the counter affidavits filed by the defendants. Given the inability of a conscience to agree on a hearing date, the court fixed March 11, 2025 for the hearing of the amended originating summons. The Labour Party, through its caretaker chairperson in Rivers State, Hilda Dokubo, filed the suit seeking to compel the Independent National Electoral Commission to conduct by-elections to fill the allegedly vacant seats, allowing the LP and other parties to participate. Counsel for the claimant, Clifford Chukwu, emphasized that the lawmakers had publicly announced their defection on various media platforms, including Channels Television and the TVC, and even deposed the affidavits confirming the move. He argued that their actions constituted a voluntary relinquishment of their seats under the law. On the other hand, counsel to the defendants, including senior advocates Ferdinand Obe San and J. Musa, argued for the court to allow pleadings and oral evidence, stating that the issues were contentious and could not be resolved based on affidavits alone. In a separate but related case, Justice Obile had earlier adjourned it to December 7, 2024, to hear a matter filed by Victor Oko Jumbo and 3 other assembly members loyal to Governor Simi Fubara. They also seek to declare the seats of the 27 lawmakers vacant and prevent them from parading as members of the Rivers State House of Assembly. My brothers and sisters, this is what we are saying. You see, the 27 lawmakers that have defected from PDP to APC, now court now is in session to know the real facts about all these 27 lawmakers that defected from their former party to another party. In the comment section, share what some of our own are saying. All this nonsense by politicians encourage judges to be corrupt. You see, 27 members publicly decamped to APC in the eyes of the law. They are no longer members of PDP. Based on constitutionally, they have lost their seats. You see, this is what we are saying. This court ruling doesn't have any effect because every House of Assembly matters are before the Supreme Court, and yesterday all matters have been adjourned to February 10. So going to High Court or Appeal Court is a waste of time, abuse of a court process. That is why the learned judge adjourned to March, so that the Supreme Court must have taken certain decisions concerning the matter. So, some of you are just saying things you don't know without understanding their implications. Let's be patient. Please do your findings. Do your findings. What is before the Supreme Court is not a defection issue, but presentation of a budget to who and not to who. You see, this is what we are saying. Do your verification very well before saying anything. This news is old. This case is already in the Supreme Court. I don't know why Nigeria judiciary is not passing political cases as the Constitution directed. Insane judiciary institutions in other countries. This matter should not last 3 weeks. The 27 seats remains vacant, says this one. Oral evidence has no weight compared with written evidence. If you too much rely on oral side of evidence, you may likely throw your case in the air, says this one. Most of them are not knowledgeable, so they would not understand what you are saying. Affidavit is a legal document, is generally accepted in the court of law. Which other evidence their seat remains vacant? What do you mean by pleading and oral evidence when the affidavit sworn by these 27 criminals is self-explanatory? So that do they need oral evidence for? Don't they know the meaning when someone sworn to an affidavit? All these lawyers will just say something to justify the money the clients paid instead of telling them the truth. My brothers and sisters, this is what we are saying. Even a drowning man would fight for his life. Exactly what they are doing. Already they failed. So court affidavit is no longer tenable, Abi? My brothers and sisters, what the judge means is they can't be affidavit without letter of resignation from PDP attached to the affidavit, and that is true. You can't just want and do affidavit without a backup documents to it. That is exactly what the judge is putting out there. My brothers and sisters, in the comment section, you are free to say your opinion. Subscribe to this channel, like and love. God bless Nigeria. God bless Revers. Thanks and God bless. Amen.